Well, tonight we're taking action for you and getting answers on your rights when it comes to buying a car. And that's all after we had a viewer email us with concerns about a Volkswagen he bought back in February. 10 Investigates reporter Rochelle Aline uncovered other complaints against this dealer that he brought the car for him. Now, tonight she explains why the dealer's attorney says they've done nothing wrong.
This melted, molten mess used to be a 2008 Cadillac CTS with 146,000 miles. That is, until it caught fire on a Columbus highway on June 1st of 2024. The woman behind the wheel says the flames came out of nowhere.
I'm happy you got out of that car.
Yeah. I'm lucky.
Yeah.
I can't be upset. I'm always lucky.
And you just bought it?
Just bought it today.
Today?
An hour. Yes. Yes, I just drove off the lot, got on the freeway, and
That woman declined an interview, but provided documents to 10 Investigates showing she really did buy the car and a 30-day warranty that same day from a local dealer called Top Tier Auto. Her experience is one of more than 50 closed complaints to the Ohio Attorney General's office about the business. Harry Powell.
So once you get it started.
Also complained. He bought this 2010 Volkswagen CC with 194,000 miles and a 30-day warranty in February. He says the car had some problems, but the dealership promised to fix them.
Went to pick it up, got maybe 4 miles from their dealership, and it started billowing smoke out of it, overheating, lights on the dashboard, and it just stalled out.
Email mediation with the Attorney General's office in March shows that Top Tier Auto agreed to fix the car again. But both sides couldn't agree on payment for the parts. And after hitting that stalemate on the pending repayment, he emailed 10 TV.
Would you make your client available so we can speak to him directly?
He is not going to be available to speak. That's why I'm here. Yeah. I'm going to speak with you.
We took those concerns to the dealer's attorney, who said his client has done nothing wrong.
He can sell all those used cars as is, okay, as long as he complies with the Ohio Consumer Sales Practices Act and is not practicing deceptive sales practices. So he can sell them as is. When you spend only $3,000 buying a car that has 300,000 miles on it, and it breaks down 2 hours after you've been driving it, you know, I mean, I hate to say this, but what did you expect?
And when it comes to that car fire, he says the car's mileage made it a riskier purchase.
For anyone to sit back and insinuate that someone should know that it's going to catch fire driving down the road is absolutely out of their mind for thinking that.
But I feel like you're insinuating that the buyer should be aware that it could catch fire because it's
They
old
should.
and has a lot of miles. So
It should.
So he shouldn't assume that it could catch fire because it has a lot of miles, but the buyer should.
He's not assuming that. He does an inspection based on what he sees when he buys it. When he buys that car, he doesn't know the history of that car.
After our interview, that attorney sent me an email to follow up. His message also included this update on the woman whose car caught on fire. It says, quote, after her car was inspected, there was some evidence the car had been worked on by someone other than anyone from Top Tier Auto Corporation after purchase, and that uncertified work caused the car to catch fire. Body camera footage shows that police brought that woman back to the dealer after her car caught on fire, but it doesn't show the inspection the attorney referenced. When we asked the attorney if we could have a copy of the inspection he mentioned, he told me the law doesn't require his client to do that kind of inspection and that there was, quote, nothing to provide to me. It's a dead end in a search for answers that's left that woman looking for a new car and Harry Powell weighing his options.
I can have a new engine put in for about $3,400. So that's where I'm at. You know, it's going to be put a new engine in the car just to get it running, and with the money I've already put into it, I'll end up putting about 10 grand in that to even get it on the road.
In Columbus, Rochelle Aline, 10 TV News.